Research shows that wall squats are an ideal standalone exercise for patellar tendonitis and are useful as a component of most knee maintenance and recovery programs. Because you can control the load and challenge by changing the knee angle and time under load, this exercise is ideal for group classes and for staged recovery. There are no cautions. If you can walk into the studio, you can wall squat. A wall sit with your front of your foot off the ground. See, I want some bend on these knees. Like what you put in is what you get out. Toes up, and then curl the toes. It's like foot fists when we curl the toes. Toes up, fan them wide, that's foot fans. So just go fists, fans, fists, fans. So if we take them up into a fan, can we wriggle them and jiggle them a bit this time? Just get the feet going. All right, so fanning, but big toe down. Fanning, but big toe up and little toe down. So there we go. We can get some real foot agility going. Now, just to make it official that we're working the quads and the kneecaps, sink down to 90 degrees, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can just come off, we put one hand behind the back.